Hi guys, and welcome along to this how-to video. Ricky, hi Ricky. Hi. Not quite the same as Hi Pete, is it? I was hoping for a better reaction.
Hey.
That's better. These are the sets which are going to continue around the perimeter of our tiles, all the way around there and around the sleepers. So he's going to be working on these today. So to get these to work well all the way around with our 3mm spacings, what we're going to do is a nice little detail like this. So as you can see, what he's done here is cut a 45-degree angle, and then we're going to put a small square piece in here. It's just going to set it off really nice, and it's going to enable us then to run full sets all the way up, all the way around the way these tiles step like that. It's going to take a little bit longer to do it this way, but it's just going to finish it off really nicely. You know, one of the things we pride ourselves on is the extra details, and this is one of those details that once it's done, it's going to look absolutely amazing. So Ricky's going to be on that today. So I'll get a time-lapse setup of him. You can watch his progress.
Today I'm going to show you how we're going to grout these sets in. I've already been round, cleaned them all up. What we're going to use, some nice fresh water, some sponges, some nice clean buckets, obviously grouting trowel. I'll show you how I'm going to mix it up. Alright, so I'm using this Brick Flex premium grout. It's a Manhattan colour, so it's like an off grey sort of colour. It's the same as what they used inside the extension that we're doing, if you've been following John. I'm just going to make up a little bit anyway, because it's quite sunny and warm. I don't want it to be going off. It's always good to keep adding bits of water into it, because otherwise you could end up putting too much water in at the beginning if you put the water in the bucket first. So this way, if you keep adding, you can get it exactly how you want it. Now I've got the grout mixed up, I'm just going to work it into these joints here and push it right in, get as much as I can. Like I say, I'm only going to be doing little sections, and then I'm going to be washing it off because he's got a rough edge on it. It's going to be really hard if I let it go really dry to get off. Really work it into these joints. Don't put enough in, it'll probably just end up cracking over time or shrinking. So I've come back to these sets. I've allowed the grout to go off for about 15 minutes. It might vary with other things, with like temperature, thickness of the grout and stuff you use. I'm just gonna work this grout in now, just try and get all the excess grout off these sets. Just working around in a circular motion. You don't want to rub it too hard because you'll end up pulling the grout out of the grout joints. You will need to go over all this again because it'll get quite dusty, as you can see. I've been up there and done it. It looks really good. Once you start this, you can't stop because you'll come back and it'll go off. You'll be scrubbing it for ages. There we go, cleaned them all off. I washed them down twice. They look really good now, they're just drying off. got some little pieces going in there that we've got made, which are coming later on this week.
So that's it, they're all in. The sets are finished all the way around the garden. Here you go, there's our nice little detailed pieces that we were talking about. We had them expertly cut from Swinson's Masonry just around the corner from us. So, if you like this video, as usual, please like, comment and subscribe. You've been watching me and Ricky and Build with A&E. Until next time, see you later.